Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Aurora Borealis in Leh. A spectacular display of auroras lit up the skies over Leh, Ladakh due to a severe geomagnetic storm on 10th October 2024. The event was triggered by a powerful coronal mass ejection from an X 1.8 solar flare that occurred on October 9. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration classified the geomagnetic storm as G4, indicating severe conditions affecting power grids and satellite operations. Auroras were visible much further south than usual, with sightings reported as far as Alabama in the US. Impact and observations. The auroras observed in Leh showcased brilliant reds and vibrant colors, creating a breathtaking spectacle against the night sky. This event is part of an ongoing period of heightened solar activity as the sun approaches its solar maximum, expected to peak in 2025. The geomagnetic storm is known to disrupt high-frequency radio communications and may affect satellite navigation systems. Scientific significance. Auroras occur when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's magnetic field, creating stunning visual displays. The observed phenomenon demonstrates the relationship between solar activity and atmospheric conditions on Earth. Scientists emphasizes the importance of understanding space weather to mitigate its impact on technology and infrastructure. The event serves as a reminder of the ongoing solar activity cycle and its potential implications for life on Earth. Now it's time for the practice question. What caused the auroras in Leh? Meteor shower, geomagnetic storm, lunar eclipse, or earthquake? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.